I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and removing account locks. First, back up to iCloud or to a computer using Finder/iTunes so you can restore later. This prevents permanent loss. Once done, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings. This disables activation lock. Make sure your iPhone has at least 50% battery or is plugged in and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Now move to Settings to initiate the actual erase process. Don't skip signing out or backup. You now perform the erase. Go to Settings, tap General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone and choose Erase all content in Settings. When prompted, enter your device passcode, then your Apple ID password to turn off Find My and Activation Lock. This authorizes the wipe. Confirm the final warnings and let the process run. Your iPhone will reboot and display an erasing progress bar. Make sure it stays on power and Wi-Fi. Interrupting the process can leave the phone in an unstable. You complete the setup by following the on-screen steps. Choose to set up as new or restore from your iCloud or computer backup. If activation lock asks for the previous Apple ID, sign in with those credentials. Otherwise, you cannot activate the phone. If the erase gets stuck or the device won't boot, try a force restart first. If that fails, connect to a computer and use recovery mode with Finder/iTunes to reinstall iOS. Make sure you have the original Apple ID info before seeking service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.